Here's part of the operation. Croquetas de Jamón breading station. As you can see, the bread comes right. Here are the victims, getting fried one by one. This is a Cuban, if not Latin American delicacy. I know Brazilians, Cubans, Puerto Ricans and such, they make this, croquetas de jamón. Those of you who are familiar with Porto's bakery in Glendale or Burbank or the Whittier area, know that they also make them. So this is just exactly like the recipe. And here's the finished batch. I think Spain makes them too, as well, if I'm not mistaken. Like I said, Latin America. And it's time to take them out. Okay, perfectly golden brown. Chef Nicko style. These came out a little bit more well done. It's okay. Here we have the inside. I already cut one open. Nearly perfect. Nice and crunchy. Okay. Si quiere jamón, pone jamón. So after all that labor, finally I'm pleased to tell you guys that I made the ham croquettes that are available. Most people know, if they live in Southern California, about Porto's bakery. And you can see this. Here it is. Croquetas de jamón. Si quiere jamón, pone jamón, man.